How to fix recent and missed call not showing on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix recent and missed calls not showing on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Restart your phone. A simple restart can refresh the phone's system and fix temporary glitches. Hold the power button on your device. Select Restart and restart your phone. Second step is you have to check app permissions. Ensure the phone app has permissions to access call logs. Go to Settings. Now select Apps. Tap App Management. Now tap Search bar at top and type in Phone. Open it to access App Info section. Select Permissions and make sure to allow the permission for call logs, contacts, and phone. You can also allow all app permission if necessary. Come back and make sure to update and reinstall the phone app if it is possible. You need to check for app updates or reinstall the phone app to fix any bugs. To check for the updates, you can open Play Store, tap search icon and the search bar, type in phone, and if there is any updates, you can check for it. So once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not resolved, maybe this might be the cause of outdated software, so you can update your system to the latest version. Again, go to Settings, tap search bar and type in Update. Wait for a few seconds and you will see software updates. Simply select software updates and look if there is any updates. If there is, tap download and install and update it to the latest version. Now you can simply launch your phone app, then tap three dots at top right corner, tap the call history, and from here you can easily see all missed calls and the recent calls. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.